In this video, Bitcoin is right now about to break down from this massive bear flag, but the question is, are we now going to see a continuation to the downside? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs Cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So let's now dive into this video, and let's give you first some quick recap of our previous analysis. So, di ba sa previous analysis, we have seen a Bitcoin bounce dito, but after that, it got rejected and we saw a downtrend dito. And as you can see, Bitcoin has finally broken to the downside, so we are now seeing a bearish breakout dito kay Bitcoin. However, my only concern dito is if you are going to look at the volume, wala pa tayong gaanong volume dito sa breakdown na to. So right now, this is what I am currently monitoring, but I have opened a short position already dito kay Bitcoin. So my short position dito is targeting the 63,000 US dollars, and then the 60k, and then after that it's going to be the 53,000 US dollars. So right now, those are the targets that I am currently looking at. And if you're going to zoom in within the hourly time frame, Bitcoin has started forming a broadening falling wedge. So if you're going to look at this, broadening rising wedge. So a broadening rising wedge is a bearish pattern usually to the downside, and it usually plays around this area, and ang magiging target nito is you're just going to get the height of this. Nilagyan natin sa possible point of breakout. If we saw a bearish breakdown, it can take us back to the 64,000 US dollars. So 64,000 US dollars is going to be the first target dito for the very short term. But the other thing na you can also monitor is if magkaroon tayo ng bullish breakout. So since if wala pa tayo nakikitang sell volume, then we can also look at this potential bullish breakout din dito in the hourly time frame. So if ever na magkaroon siya ng rebound dito at na-break niya yung resistance, then we might see 70,200 US dollars. But right now, I am not going to rule out anything for the time being. As of now, naka-open ako ng short position around the 67,400 US dollars. So right now, my trade is currently in profit, and I'll update you guys sa Instagram channel ko pati sa Messenger group chat if may gagawin ako sa trade na yun. But as of now, it is still open, and I am still waiting out for this bearish breakdown to play out nga. Especially na we have been seeing this bear flag playing out na nga. And on top of that, dito sa bear flag na to, if you are going to look at this latest trend dito ni Bitcoin, maybe let's look at this in the 4-hour time frame. If you're going to look at the Bitcoin price action, previously Bitcoin has been making some higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But as you can see, we did not see any higher high. Instead, we see a lower high, and then right now it's a lower low. So it could be potentially indicating na if magkaroon man lang tayo ng rebound dito, 70,200 is also possible. But if let's say magkaroon tayo ng rebound dyan, it's more likely going to indicate that that is the one last push to the upside. So in this case, I might take some partial profits muna off my current short position dito kay Bitcoin, and maybe reopen a short position maybe around the 70,200 if ganun yung mangyari. But yeah, right now, I am still going to monitor this depende kung saan siya magkakaroon ng move. But ayun na nga, since this is already a broken uptrend, this is already a downtrend na nga, as you can see, that is a downtrend na nga dito kay Bitcoin. Right now, we are going to monitor on where is this going with the Bitcoin price action. But clearly, it is already a bear flag breakout. But the question is, where are we going lang talaga dito with the Bitcoin price action? And yeah, make sure to trade this guys kay Wix, kasi kay Wix, Mas mura yung Bitcoin trading fees and hindi nyo kailangan mag-KYC if wala pa kayo account with Wix. Make sure to use my sign up link, which you can find in the description down below. Wix yung ginagamit ko pang trade sa short term. So, yeah, I highly recommend that you guys trade this kay Wix. And as well as my long-term short position, it is still open pa din kay Bybit. So, yeah, make sure to trade and continue trading pa din kay Bybit for my, if you want to trade your long-term short position. But yeah, right now, that is what I'm currently monitoring. And yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.